Imagine this. You're sitting at home, a cup of chai in your hand. It's a normal day. Suddenly you hear it, a faint, unsettling sound. A soft pop, like someone whispering secrets the walls don't want to reveal. You dismiss it, but the next day, it happens again. This time you notice it, a hairline crack snaking across your living room wall. Is it just a cosmetic blemish, easily painted over, or is it a warning sign of a deeper, more dangerous issue? The truth is, not all cracks are created equal. Some are mere surface imperfections, easily fixed with plaster and paint. Others can be harbingers of serious structural damage, a silent threat. This is the story of those cracks. The ones that whisper of weakness, urging us to listen and act. This is the story of the cracks in our buildings and what they're trying to tell us. Not all cracks are bad news. Think of them like wrinkles on a human face. Some are just laugh lines, adding character and telling stories of time's passage. Others, however, can be signs of stress, of underlying health issues needing attention. Cracks in buildings work the same way. We've got two main types, structural and non-structural. Structural cracks are the serious ones. These are deep, often wide cracks that indicate movement or instability in the building's foundation or load-bearing elements. They're like the warning tremors before an earthquake, signaling potential danger. Non-structural cracks, on the other hand, are more like surface blemishes. They might be unsightly, but they don't pose an immediate threat to the building's integrity. They're like the cracks in a dry lake bed, unsightly perhaps, but not a sign of impending doom. But how can you tell the difference? How do you know if that crack in your wall is a harmless hairline fracture or a screaming alarm bell? That's what we're going to uncover next. Structural cracks don't just appear out of nowhere. They're symptoms of deeper issues, often stemming from problems with the building's foundation or the load-bearing elements. Identifying the root cause is crucial to implementing the right solution. One of the most common culprits is foundation settlement. Over time, the soil beneath a building can shift or compress, causing the foundation to sink unevenly. This uneven settling puts stress on the building's structure, leading to cracks. Another common cause is overloading. Every building is designed to bear a certain amount of weight. Exceeding this limit by adding extra floors, building on unsuitable soil, or even storing excessively heavy materials can overstress the structure, leading to cracks. Environmental factors also play a role. Extreme temperature fluctuations can cause materials to expand and contract, putting stress on the structure. Similarly, excessive moisture from leaks, poor drainage, or flooding can weaken building materials, making them more susceptible to cracking. Understanding these root causes is crucial to not only fixing the cracks but also to preventing them from reappearing. Section 4. When foundations falter. The perils of ignoring structural cracks. Ignoring a structural crack is like ignoring a ticking time bomb. It might seem harmless at first, but the potential consequences are too dire to ignore. Firstly, structural cracks compromise the building's stability. As cracks widen and multiply, the building's ability problems if left unchecked. Cracks in exterior walls can allow water to seep in, causing dampness and mold. Address them promptly to prevent further damage and maintain a healthy environment. Section 6. Crackdown on cracks detection, prevention, and the role of AI. Detecting cracks early is key to preventing them from becoming major headaches. Regular visual inspections of your building, both inside and out, are crucial. Look for any signs of cracking, bulging, or unevenness, especially around doors, windows, and corners. Prevention is always better than cure. Ensuring proper construction practices, using high-quality materials, and implementing effective waterproofing and drainage systems can significantly reduce the risk of cracks. In recent years, technology has stepped in to lend a hand in crack detection. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are being used to develop sophisticated systems that can analyze images and detect even the tiniest of cracks, often invisible to the naked eye. However, even with these advancements, AI in crack detection still faces challenges. Training these systems requires massive amounts of data and expertise to differentiate between harmless and potentially dangerous cracks. Despite the challenges, AI holds immense potential in revolutionizing how we inspect and maintain our buildings, making them safer and more resilient, and more. Section 7. Fortress of Prevention, safeguarding your structure from cracks. When it comes to cracks, knowledge is your most powerful tool. By understanding the different types of cracks, their causes, and potential consequences, you can take proactive steps to protect your building and ensure its longevity. Regularly inspect your property for any signs of cracking. Don't ignore even the smallest of cracks. Consult a qualified structural engineer or building inspector if you notice anything unusual. Address both structural and non-structural cracks promptly to prevent further damage and costly repairs down the line. Remember, cracks are often a symptom of an underlying issue. Addressing the root cause is crucial to effectively solve the problem. Maintaining your building is an ongoing process, not a one-time fix. By being proactive, vigilant, and informed, you can ensure that your building remains a safe, sturdy, and crack-free haven for years to come. For more videos, subscribe to Learn Let Learn YouTube channel.